am going to explain how Darknet ROS 3D works. I am using ROS2 Eloquent. Okay. First of all, I am going to run camera driver. I am using RealSense. Okay, and width. Okay, we can see here the point cloud. Okay, and now I'm going to run Darknet ROS and Darknet ROS 3D. Okay, here we have Darknet ROS running. Okay, and now okay, and now we have some topics. Darknet ROS 3D bounding boxes and Darknet ROS 3D markers. In this topic, bounding boxes will be published, and in this topic, visual markers are published. This is the format of the messages: a header and bounding boxes array with the object name, probability, and 3D coordinates of the bounding box, 3D bounding box. Okay, we can visualize the markers, visual markers in R width, selecting camera link at fixed frame, and marker array. Okay, Darknet ROS 3D markers. Okay, we can detect bottle. For example, this is the bottle, and books. Okay. In this package, we have a config file named Darknet 3D YAML, where we can select some parameters. For example, interested classes, interested objects. These are the objects that we have to detect. In this case, person, book, and bottle, but we can add other objects. Okay. Thank you.